Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Skip the Dishes Courier account in just a few steps. First, open the Skip the Dishes app or go to their website and head to the Help or Support section. From there, choose the option to contact support. You can reach them in three ways: by email at couriers@skipthedishes.com, by phone at 1-855-275-9369, or message them through the support chat. When you contact them, provide your account details, explain why your account was deactivated if you know, and include any other information they ask for. Follow the steps they gave you and wait for confirmation. Once everything is reviewed, your courier account will be reactivated and you'll be ready to deliver again. And that's it. That's how to reactivate your Skip the Dishes courier account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.